Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Mansa Vlogs. And I haven't done one of these in a little while, but we have an unboxing today. And this is going to be the Air Force One for the EVO 2004 championships that I don't think it was ever officially released. People got it in like outlets and things like that, but we're just gonna get into the shoe. I'm gonna talk about what it's inspired by and then just talk about the details on the shoe. All right, so I'll be honest, I've been lacking in the actual unboxing part of these videos. I've just been kind of having the box already opened and then just showing you guys inside. But let's open this. Got this from eBay, which it will say on the inside. There you go. eBay, authenticity guaranteed. Not sponsored, but eBay, if you want to, you can sponsor me. So I actually didn't know about this shoe at all. I just see a random Complex article the other day, and was it a hypebeast move for me to buy these? Possibly. Getting right into the box right here, as we can see, it's not your typical Nike box. You see it has that like after shadow effect, which is popular in Street Fighter. So I saw the article and it was basically saying these were made, oh, this is nice, comes with its own dust bag, and it says it's not over till it's over. And it was hard for me to find these without the if someone got it from the outlets, they had no lid on top, and I wanted these with the full lid. So we take the first shoe out and get the second shoe, and just the details on this and the like amount of craftsmanship that went into these is great. So if you guys don't know, EVO is a fighting game competition that's held every year. We just had EVO for 2022 actually. So this is from the 2004 championships, and these represent what is known as Moment 37. So Moment 37 was the guy Justin Wong. He was up. I'll play the clip right here, but basically, as you can see, he was up and it looked like he was going to win. And Ken, who's being used by Daigo, he had barely any life left, meaning like any attack Chun-Li did against him would have killed him, whether he was blocking or anything. Chun-Li, used by Justin Wong, she uses her special attack, and like I said, Daigo can't block any of the attacks or else he'll literally lose. Like there's nothing around it. Like he can't take any damage. So he successfully parries every single one of Justin Wong's attacks and then hits him with a super move of his own and then ends up winning the championship. And like the crowd just goes crazy. So yeah, like we can get into the sneaker now. So you see it comes in that white canvas upper with the blue hits. This is representing Ken's uniform. If you go up the eye stays, they seem regular, but then you get to the top and on both sides you have the, representing their special attack, that special star right there. And then the double printed logo right here. And same thing on the back, just representing that, their special attack and the way their body moves with the shadows and things like that. Same thing with like in just the Street Fighter logo in general. And then you get the same thing on the inside right there. And then the coolest detail on these is right here under the tongue. You see right there. This is actually the button commands for the special that Daigo did to win the match. So like that's such a cool subtle detail that like you don't see on most sneakers. So the story behind these is that they were supposed to come out in 2020, but as we all know, during 2020 there was a million things going on. There was the Black Lives Matter riots, and George Floyd marches, everything like that. We had COVID, we had so many other things going on that like Nike just probably decided this is not the proper time to just bring up a sneaker for gaming and things like that. As important as it is, for the gaming community, and as dope as it is that they even went through to do this, was like you know, unfortunate. It just came at a wrong time. But you know, the reason this got popular is someone tagged Justin Wong on Twitter about it, and he was like, he had never seen it, and he apparently bought a few pairs. I expected these to be like super expensive, so like this isn't even my size. These are a size 11. These are actually a size 11. I ended up grabbing them just because, I mean, I am a gamer. I'm not like a fighting gamer specifically. Maybe it's a little hype beast on me, but I did want to hold on to these. I thought they did represent something very unique and special, and you know, maybe they'll go up in value over time and I can trade them for, you know, either something better or, you know, make some bread. You know, ain't no shame in that. But definitely a dope pair of sneakers, dope story behind it. If you guys, you know, don't know about it, I'm going to insert the clips in the video, but definitely, you know, look it up for yourself and, you know, let me know what you guys think. And there you guys have it. Here's the Air Force Ones for the EVO Championship 2004. Definitely, like I said, dope concept. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. And, you know, if you're a gamer, you know, let me know. What's your favorite fighting game? What's your favorite video game of all time? Should Nike and other brands do more things like this? I think, like, it's kind of a shame these didn't get, you know, the spotlight that they kind of deserve. They just kind of, like, if you know, you know. If I didn't see that article, I never would have known about it either. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe as always, and I'll catch you on the next video.